let's start here and work backwards. This is a solenoid. It's simply an electromagnet that pulls this up, and it throws a switch inside that causes it to engage. That's fairly simple to test. Well, at least to see if it pulls. You just give it some power. You see it works rather well. Now inside here there's actually two coils. There's one coil that lifts it up, there's another coil that holds it in place, and there's a switch in there, and it switches between one coil and the other. The first coil, the lifting coil, has more power than the holding coil. If for some reason you just end up with the lifting coil working and you're driving along with the overdrive, it will eventually burn out the coil, and then you have to replace it. One way to test that would be with an amp meter on here. When it first goes, it'll pull a lot of amps, and then it should go down to fewer amps after that. But it looks like it's moving rather freely and easily, so that looks pretty good.